Hey everybody, it's Tiffany with tip number 3. This tip is about actually choosing organizers for your craft supplies. I want you to keep 4 things in mind. You need to look for organizers where your items are visible, where they're easily accessible, where you can add on more of a similar or the same organizer in that same size or shape as your collection of craft supplies grow. And is it portable? So most of us are moving around with our craft supplies, and when I say moving around, that doesn't necessarily mean going to a crop or class or event. It just means moving around your craft room or possibly moving around the house. So as you're thinking about things, keep that in mind. Is it visible? Can you see what's in there, right? Buddy bag, visible. Is it portable? Can you take it with you? Is it expandable? Could you get the same thing over again, right? One of the things that's frustrating when you buy organizers is that you can't purchase the same size. Susie's nodding. You can't purchase the same size and shape to work together. It's a little bit different with Totally-Tiffany. We try to maintain that consistency. And visible? Is it accessible? Is it easy to get to or easy to work with, right? So again, something like a buddy bag. Here we have a marker storage. This is the Terry buddy bag. I can open it up and it's easy to work with. So think about that as you're choosing the organizers for your craft room. Visible, items are accessible, it's expandable, and it's portable. You'll find it all at Totally-Tiffany. Thanks for watching.